Hi, good morning. This is Hari here from Sama.ai. I'm very happy to be presenting the next two critical video series, each again under less than 5 minutes, on a very important and crucial topic of driving and how important it is to drive safely. Safety is quintessence, not just for your own self, but for your co-passengers and for the people and property that could be endangered. These are videos that in which we are presenting scenarios and how you as drivers or riders could follow precaution or follow the rules and prevent catastrophe or disaster from happening. Like I mentioned, and keeping the promise of Sama.ai, this video series is also aimed at bringing in 360-degree knowledge. And if you have any topics to suggest, I'll be more than happy to consider them and add them onto the series. So stay tuned for more. Have a great day.
Driving on the wrong side of the road can lead to catastrophic accidents. As part of Sama.ai First Lesson Project FLP series, we bring to you one of many under 5-minute awareness videos. In this video, we discuss 3 specific scenarios. So, fasten your seat belts and get ready to be enlightened. Scenario number 1: handling potholes. Picture this. When driving to your office, you swerve to avoid a pothole but instead veers into oncoming traffic. While this might seem justified because you did this to avoid a pothole, you need high level of road awareness to not have done that blunder. A lot of times, we don't realize the consequences of our actions, and especially when driving, it can become disastrous. Every day, countless lives are put at risk due to reckless driving. An equipoised person would be aware of this and have done the following. First, drive within designated speed limits to be able to brake if such person saw the pothole. 2. If such person were driving with speed limits, maybe, the impact of driving in and out of the pothole may have been minimal, possibly. Also, in rainy season, you won't splash puddle water onto unassuming pedestrians. And 3. Going above and beyond, such person will park their vehicle where it's safe, without blocking or causing bottleneck to others, and call to report it to the concerned authorities. Such person could also put a hazard sign seen in the video before the pothole so that it'll alert other drivers. Not only does this ensure your safety, but it also protects other road users. Always stay in your lane and follow the designated direction. When you want to pass a vehicle, do so only when it's safe to pass following applicable regulations. Remember, driving is not just about you. It's a shared responsibility. So always adhere to traffic signs and regulations. Be a responsible driver. Respect the road and drive right. And by the way, to be right, in India, you need to drive on the left side, respecting the rules and regulation. Scenario number 2: a bustling traffic intersection. A familiar affair in India. As you can see, intersections cause a mayhem in some places, especially where several vehicles are going through the intersection, breaking the law. Red lights are there to serve a purpose. And, running a red light is not just illegal, it jeopardizes lives, every second counts, and, impatience can lead to tragedy. Patience is a virtue, wait for the green light and ensure everyone's safety. Scenario number 3: night driving. We don't often realize, but this is the major cause of road accidents. Accident rates and fatalities are disproportionately high at night in India, with approximately 30% of fatal road accidents occurring during nighttime, despite less traffic. While there are many possible causes: reduced visibility, drivers' visual fatigue, and poor road infrastructure. What is compounding the visual fatigue causation is the lack of awareness on the part of drivers, not knowing when to use high beams and low beams in their vehicles. You must switch from high to low beam when approaching or following another vehicle, driving in urban areas, or on well-lit roads, and use high beams only on dark, isolated roads to prevent dazzling others and to comply with traffic regulations. Think about it. Would you want your eyes to be hurt from the constant high beams of oncoming traffic? Rule of thumb: switch to low beam when you are within 150 meters of an approaching vehicle or when following a vehicle. Let common sense prevail. Drive with care, and let's make our roads safer together. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in our next informative video soon. Meanwhile, let's veer our journey to equipoise and wisdom.